Hey buds, welcome to the video. In this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the Oral-B IO Series 5 electric toothbrush. If you've been thinking about upgrading your old manual toothbrush or your old electric toothbrush, then this one here sits at the middle of the IO Series lineup. So before we start reviewing it, let me show you what's inside the box. Alright, this is the box of the IO Series 5 and the box feels good. It looks premium enough and it's actually quite large. And here's some label, and it comes with a Bluetooth pairing. All right, then what's inside is some travel case, charger, and the brush motor itself. And here you go. Yeah, and then some labels here, how to use it. All right, then this is the 5 smart modes. They included the 2 brush head, free brush head. And then let's open it up. There you go. And this one is the travel case. So you can use this if you're traveling. And the case feels premium, but it's plastic. You can put 2 brush head here and the motor itself. And then it also has 2 brush head inside. So now we have 4 brush head. Yeah. So this is 4 brush head, which is good for 1 year. You need to replace every 3 months. And we have some instruction manual here. And this one is the motor itself. Let me just put it out. Okay. And then here is the charger of the motor. So you just need to slot it in. Okay, so let's try to turn on. So white means it's already turned on. All right, let me just open up one of the brush head and let's see how it works. All right, so when I turn it on, it will oscillate and it's nice. It's quite actually nice. These are the modes. Then when you press this one, it will switch the mode of the brush. So there are 5 modes. Yeah, and then let's turn it on. All right, so you can see if it's green, it means the pressure is normal. Red means the pressure is too hard. Let me try to slot the charger. Yeah, so once you slot the charger, you need to make sure that you twist it 45 degrees so that it will not fall off. But it will still charge regardless if you twist it 45 degrees. Yeah, so this is the IO Series 5. So when I bought this toothbrush, it comes with 4 brush heads, and then you just slot it in here like this. Then it comes with 5 brushing mode. Let me just show you. The 5 brushing mode includes daily clean, intense cleaning, sensitive, and super sensitive, and of course the last one is the whitening. So when you start using it, you will notice that you will just need to press this power button and then it will start oscillating. Then if you check, there's a sensor here. Green means that you're just applying the right pressure. So when you see a red one, it means that the pressure is too hard. Aside from this, it comes with an app, which is the Oral-B app. And you can see which part of your teeth needs thorough cleaning. So this is the first time for me to switch from a manual toothbrush to an electric toothbrush. And right from the start, I think you need to buy this head, and which is a bit costly. This costs around $27 here in Singapore. $27 for 2 packs of brush heads. And I also checked some online reviews, and they said that using electric toothbrush removes 99% of plaques compared to manual toothbrush. So I'll be trying this out for a few more days and I will let you know in the future videos. Let's talk about price. Here in Singapore, I bought this online and it costs around 161 Singapore dollar. If you convert it to US dollar, it's around $121. Definitely, if you compare it to a manual toothbrush, this one costs a lot more and it's not affordable. But I believe that this is a lifetime investment and it is a good start for your oral hygiene. So is it worth it or not? Well, it depends on your use case. For me, it is worth it because when I usually go to the dentist, they charge me a lot of money. And if I invested in this one, and this one just costs around $100, right? But if I go to the dentist, they can charge me around $3,000 per visit. But using this one will subsequently minimize the expense that I incur on dentist. So I believe it is a worthwhile investment. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video or you just learned something new, please like the video and comment down below if you have any questions, suggestions, or just you wanted to comment. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.